Little saw versus little saw. Chinese versus Chinese.
Edit.
Big difference. 2-stroke versus
Lithium 6-power 20
saving
volt.
the environment.
Hey guys, Brandon here from Dust Country, and today I'm going to do an unboxing actually of my new chainsaw that I just got in. It's a 12-inch bar, it's a DeWalt electric, and I already know a bunch of people are like, oh, get a real chainsaw. Well, I do, so stop it. This is actually just something to throw on the bed of my truck real quick and head down to camp just in case there's any trees across the road or anything. Just something quick to get in and out, and probably won't need it, so just a lot of trimming up and emergency stuff so I don't have to take the whole kitchen sink in order to get into camp. So let's get into it. And if you guys were wondering, they actually do have a 16-inch bar as well, but that one you need a 60-volt battery for, whereas this one you only need a 20-volt battery. And I have a few different 20 volts that'll run this just fine. So I kind of copped out for this one. That way I didn't have to buy all new batteries, because those batteries are expensive. Some of you know what I'm talking about. Let's check this out and see what we get. See if I can ever get this box open. Jesus. There we go. Whoop. What am I stuck on right now? There we go. One side. Well, this is definitely packed well. Oh, why would they tape that to there? Haha. Oh yeah. Let's check this out. Honestly, not bad. I mean, relatively lightweight. It's a little lighter than your normal saw that you have, but it's real compact, which is exactly what I wanted. Huh. Let's get some oil in this. Fire this sucker up and get a battery on it. Who needs instructions? No, I'm just playing. I'll read them later. For now, we're gonna set my oil. There it is. Better double check just to be safe. My luck, it won't use normal bar oil. No table of content. All right, we're winging it. Ooh, that was a little much. This is about to be a mess. Maybe. Come on. Knew what I was doing the entire time. Definitely wasn't concerned that it was gonna overflow at all. And get the big boy on there, the old 6 times. Yeah. Oh. Now, I will say that does add some weight with one of these big suckers on there. I do have smaller 4 times ones, but for now, I'm just gonna try it out like this. Or not. What am I missing here? Unlock. Oh, get it. Not bad at all. Yeah, I feel the need to go out back and cut some stuff now. So let's go do that, shall we? Let's get it. Yeah, got a piece of wood and a leftover TV stand. Yeah, do what you do. Sweet. Okay, apparently there's a bar across that. Yeah, we're just gonna do that and all my new chain. Oh yeah, that definitely cuts. Let's try the log now. Well, can't really call it a log, I suppose. Yeah, I mean, not bad. You definitely want something with a strong battery for sure. Otherwise it wants to bog down a little bit, but the 6 times seems to be doing the job, or anything above, I'd say. I do have a couple 4 times I'm curious about that I might try in a later video. Let's try this. Definitely doesn't want to pull up. Sometimes I like to flip the log over and pull up, and it's not definitely fighting. Not bad. Is it broken, Nora?
Don't get your hands stuck in it.
Yeah, definitely not bad. Nice clean cut. Doesn't have the power of your normal saw, but for smaller stuff and trying to get stuff out of your way, this will definitely do the job for sure, which is exactly what I'm looking for when I'm heading into camp. Just trees that are across the driveway, getting them out of my way just so I can get in. Yeah, that'll work. See you guys back inside. Alright guys, so just got done trying it out. I'm sure you guys will see for yourself. I'm impressed. It does exactly what I want it to. I have a full-size saw for everything else, but this is exactly what I want from it. And actually, I just tried out one of my smaller batteries, the 4x, and worked fine. As I said in the last part though, probably 5 or 6 times or higher if you want the most amount of power out of it. But for what I want, for cutting small trees up, limbs and stuff like that, this is perfect. Cuts well. I was honestly impressed. It's not that heavy. Obviously, as you get the bigger batteries onto it, it's going to be heavier. But if you're looking for something for more power, then I would suggest the 16-inch bar that has the 60-volt batteries, because I would imagine this did really well with just the 20 volt. So I imagine the 60 volt that you're probably going to get almost like a normal saw, but hard to tell. But yeah, I'm impressed with this, just for the small stuff, you know, around the house and something to throw into the back of the truck without having to take everything. It's perfect for me. So maybe we'll do a video down at camp, cutting up some stuff and clearing up some of the food plots and tree stand, stuff like that, making some shooting ranges. Well, we'll see. Today we are out trying out my new saw. It's a DeWalt 12-inch bar. Actually got my 20-volt battery. It's actually the 6x against Sean's, what do you got there?
Tayaka.
A Tayaka.
Also made in China. Runs on good old 2-stroke though. I'm good.
Whatever. Anyway, also guys, make sure when you're checking out my videos that you are also checking out.
Don't take your clothes off.
Zenari Apparel. Yeah, I'll send a link in the description. But they have different colors, different styles that you guys can check out. An interruption from your regularly broadcasted show for an announcement from Brandon from Dust Country. Seeing how my camera card wanted to crap the bed halfway through my recording, as I was saying, link in the description for Zenari Apparel. Go check them out. Every time you buy something from them, 10% of those proceeds go towards a charity for conserving and preserving wildlife. Also, this summer they're going to be starting up kayak rentals, so you can check that out, as well as youth lessons for fishing. So if you're not that knowledgeable about fishing, but you want to learn and you want to help your kids out, go book that online too on their website. And back to the video.
That's a run.
Wait, hold on. Out of your butt. That was good. Alright, man.
Oh, you want me to do it from the other way?
Yeah, I'll do the
Alright,
same.
fire up!
I'll do the same. Ain't nothing to fire up, you just pull the button. Okay, that's what I noticed. I'll say this much: I noticed you can't really go up with it when you're cutting through. Nice,
Good
Ranger.
job.
Nice, Ranger. Let's see.
What's next?
Let's.
So, do you think they both did about the same?
Mine
Honestly-
made more noise.
Yeah.
I think it was just about just as fast
Yeah.
though.
Chain could be slightly.
Now we need to do same time and race and see.
Okay.
Fair enough.
Let's do this one here.
Oh, both ends you're saying?
Yeah.
Alright, fair enough. Here, you come on this side because you're ready.
Brandon, you fire yours up first.
It don't matter.
It sounds like a toy.
I'm ready.
You do have that advantage.
You do.
I'm ready.
I got it on stop.
That helps.
Go ahead and put your foot up. 6, 3, 2, 1, go.
Go, buddy.
What are you doing, Sean?
Sharpening to beat that electric job.
Why?
She's dull.
Because you
Better
keep
off.
losing to the electric saw?
Yep.
Yep, we're gonna do a takeover. We're
Well-
bringing back two-stroke.
No excuses now.
What do you think, Marshall? Anything? No?
Nothing.
Marshall thinks
He's
two-stroke.
embarrassed of his father.
Pure disappointment. Round what is it? Round 3 now?
Round 3.
Round 3? Count it off, Ashley.
3, 2, 1. Well, that wasn't the problem. Oh.
Compare diameter.
Well, I already beat you on that half.
Set your block up there.
Alright, let's switch it over
Yep.
then.
Got a good 2 more inches I had to get through.
Alright, let's do it again. Flip flop.
Yeah, flip flop so we can
Flip-flop.
stop crying.
Wait, we gotta move the blocks closer. Here.
Now, honey, after this, no more
No more
excuses.
excuses. Two-stroke's been defeated.
Dude, pretty soon my battery's gonna die. I'm gonna be like, Ashley, battery! Ah! Cut it off. 3, 2, 1. That time. I was close though. Got her.
Wait, so who won?
We got it that
I
time.
got that one. Smaller side.
2 more inches on your bar and still.
Tayaka's not bad, but I'll give the yuppie the wall. She fights. She fights.
All right then, folks. Well,
Set your comparison on these Chinese things. If you
Yes.
want a real saw, go down and get yourself a Husqvarna or Stihl.
correct. So until next